Night diving at Jolla Shores reveals a completely different world. Creatures that stay hidden during the day suddenly come alive under our dive lights. A yellow octopus appears, surrounded by a cloud of Mysid shrimp, sometimes called opossum shrimp. The shrimp are likely attracted to our lights, creating the perfect feeding opportunity for the octopus. As the hunt intensifies, the octopus starts reaching outward with its arms, trying to grab individual shrimp from the swarm. Then suddenly it launches upward into the water column, wrapping its arms around multiple shrimp at once before jetting away into the darkness. Octopuses are incredibly intelligent hunters. They can solve puzzles, recognize patterns, and combine camouflage with ambush tactics to capture prey with remarkable precision. Next up is a massive sheep crab, slowly walking across the sandy bottom, surrounded by sand dollars. Sheep crab are some of the largest crabs found along the California coast, growing to nearly a foot across. Now we move on to a strange-looking sea slug known as the California Aglaja. Unlike many sea slugs that graze on stationary prey, Aglaja hunts other slugs by following chemical trails across the sand. Next, we come face to face with one of Southern California's most fascinating nighttime predators, the horned shark. Horned shark are nocturnal sharks commonly found around reefs and sandy bottoms in Southern California. They use powerful jaws to crush hard-shelled prey like sea urchins, crabs, and mollusks. Watching a horned shark glide silently across the sand at night is always incredible. This tiny octopus was only a couple inches tall, hanging tightly to a piece of algae while trying to remain unnoticed. Even small octopuses are masters of camouflage. Specialized skin cells called chromatophores allow them to instantly change both color and texture to match their surroundings. To finish the dive, we spotted an opalescent nudibranch slowly moving across the rocks. Opalescent nudibranch are known for their brilliant colors, but those colors serve as a warning. Many nudibranchs absorb stinging cells from the prey they eat and reuse them as their own defense against predators. Tiny but spectacular, they're one of the highlights of many California night dives. Every night dive is different, and that's what makes exploring the underwater world after dark so addictive. Thanks for joining us beneath the surface at Jolla Shores.